Hey everyone! So it's time for Nate Cerami's weekly hat challenge for the month of October. So I'm going to go ahead and pick 3 challenges. Alan will probably do his tonight. Our power was out last night from Michael, and we had a tree come down out back, so our power didn't come back until almost midnight, so we didn't get anything done last night. So number 79. Number 56. And number 58. So 56 is no purple. 58 is no white. And 79 is must use orange and purple. So I'm going to go ahead and put 56 back that says no purple. And I'll pick another one. So I have to use orange and purple. And no white. Hopefully I won't pick the same one again, huh? Oops. And then I have number 8. And number 8 is must use a strainer for flip cup. Okay, so apparently I'm doing a flip cup through a strainer. So let me go ahead and get set up and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got my strainer ready and I picked some colors. I'm going to use black because I can't use white. I'm using Lucas Permanent Violet, Soho Cad Orange Deep, Premier Purple Red, and of course some copper. This I believe is Creative Inspirations copper. Soho Cad Yellow, and I'm missing a blue. I need a blue. I was going to put the Indian yellow in there instead of this yellow, but I kind of like that next there. So I think I'll just use some Lucas Cyan. So what I want to do is cover this with black and get it as thin as possible, because I have to do a flip cup strainer. I don't think I have enough black. So what I'm going to try to do is get it mostly in the middle. And then I'll move it around as much as I can. It'll help that paint move when I flip it. Okay, that's good enough. Let me get a quick bubbles out real quick. Okay, so I don't want to put that in there, but I do want to find a cup that will fit in my strainer. That one looks pretty close. That's not a lot of paint though. I could see if I could cut one of these down. Time to MacGyver. It's funny how we artists will think of different things to do and in a pinch. It's not going to be much more paint, but I have a little more control over the cup. Alright, so let me go ahead and get some paint in here. I'm going to spray it just a tad to get the paint out. So I'm going to start with black and some copper and some yellow, some orange, and some purple red, some blue, some purple. There, that should work. Okay, let me flip the strainer over top of that cup. This is gonna be hard. Okay, so now I'm gonna flip that onto there, and we're gonna do it really quick. It's working. I didn't think it was gonna work. It's going down very slowly, but I'm gonna go ahead and start to release some of that. Okay, that's kind of cool. All right, now I got it all there. There's a lot of blue on this corner here. I really love that purple red with that blue. That's pretty. These challenges definitely do open up your mind to new ideas. Nate put some good challenges in that list. Okay. And there we have it. I can, I'm loving how this is opening up with cells. I want to just see if I can get a little bit of this down here. Let's torch it and see what happens. This is very big here. My hand's pretty. Looks like flames. I know something's gonna come up here because it's already trying. Maybe not. It's pretty cool though. Really love this, and I love this here. Right here, but we have that metallic copper in there. So it's going to dry different, but let's let it set for a few minutes and see what happens. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. It's been about 5 minutes. I did see a few more cells come up through that black. You can see them. But I really love this corner down here. And this corner here is also quite interesting. So there you have it. Kind of a caca runoff, but we'll see if I can pull something out of it. So subscribe if you haven't already. Click like and share. Leave a comment. Join us on Facebook. Shop with us on Amazon and on Etsy. I have been photographing pictures today. Paintings, I should say, right? And those will be going up on Etsy very shortly. And we also have fan mail. It's Christina Welch Art. P.O. Box 863, Youngsville, North Carolina, 27596. So we hope to see you on the next one. Have a great day, everybody. Bye now.